lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I do hope you guys are having a great Christmas so far. And so in today's video, we're going to talk about Christmas candles. I picked up a few candles from Bath and Body Works. You cannot go wrong with their candles and their scents this Christmas season. You can walk into that store and you can smell your way all the way to the back to the cashier, to be honest. I mean, the candles are just beautiful. So we are going to start with this eucalyptus candle. This is for stress relief. And as you can see, I have been burning the hell out of this one. Every single day I come home, I light this candle and immediately I can feel the stress relief in my body. I can feel the stress leaving my soul. It is so good. And I can sit here and I can smell this candle all day. It is so pretty. And I do have their body cream as well, which is really good because certain scents have a way of affecting the mind in such a positive way. And you guys should definitely try this one. And again, their body cream. And next, I do have this one here. It's called White Barn Spice Apple Toddy. Oh my God. Let's smell this one. This one is amazing as well. I can smell apple cider. I can smell cinnamon. Almost like a hint of rum. Because normally when you make your toddies, you have a little bit of rum and whiskey in it, don't you? Smells amazing. And I picked up these candles with the thought of giving them as gifts. But I thought, you know what? I am not giving these as gifts. I do have some friends and some family coming over in the next few days, and I want my home to smell fantastic. And this one is beautiful. I love the little packaging. Great colors for Christmas season. Again, this is White Barn Spice Apple Toddy. Love that. Now look at this one here. This is called the Perfect Christmas. Look at the packaging, guys. And of course, everything is glass. Okay, really sweet, very, very pretty. Oh my God, I can smell a little bit of, it's almost like a vanilla cake. Can't describe it, but it smells beautiful. Again, this is called the Perfect Christmas. Look at the packaging, really cute, amazing. And so when I purchased these candles, it was buy one, get one free, so I got 6 of them. And this is To All A GoodNight. Beautiful. Let's see what this one smells like. So beautiful, so gorgeous. The scents are just amazing. I mean, look at that, so pretty. And again, they're glass. And so when these are emptied, you can just use these for storage, your brushes, your eyeliners and your eye pencils and whatever it is you want to do. But they are great for packaging as well. I do love the little design on the cover. Really, really pretty. This one here is called The Perfect Christmas. Ah, my God. This is beautiful. Again, this is the packaging right here. Really cute, lovely colors, the reds, the greens, the pinks, the blues. Really, really pretty. A perfect Christmas. Very nice. I love that. Next, I do have Under the Christmas Tree. Again, beautiful. Love the design. Really, really pretty. Oh my God. What does this smell like? I feel like I want to say something, but I don't know what it is that it smells like. It is so beautiful. Oh my God, could you imagine me lighting these candles during the holidays? My home is going to smell fantastic. I mean, look at the packaging. Really, really cute. I mean, the green and the red, and you do have the blue. I mean, great Christmas Christmas packaging. Very, very, very pretty. Last but not least, I do have this one here. This is called Christmas Cider. Yes, I can smell some cider in here. I can smell like a cupcake, like a vanilla cupcake. You know when you have the cupcake and you just want to lick the frosting? I know that sounds weird, but yeah, this smells amazing, beautiful. There we be. So this again is called Christmas Cider. There it is. Really, really cute. The scents are amazing. Teresa Ann does a lot of beautiful videos on Bath and Body Works, and the candles that she would buy, it's just amazing. So I'm going to leave her link in the description box for you guys to check out her videos. Again, so I've got 6 of them. This is called Christmas Cider. This one is the Perfect Christmas. This is Under the Christmas Tree. That's number 3. And this one is called To All A GoodNight. Okie dokie. And this one is called Spice Apple Toddy. Absolutely gorgeous. And the last one here is the Stress Relief Eucalyptus, and this is amazing. So I'm going to leave all of these candles in the description box for you guys, and let me know which one are your favorite. Let me know which one you picked up from Bath and Body Works and what your home is going to smell like this Christmas season. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I do thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!